Hello and welcome to AZO's 2020 RSNA virtual booth. My name is Jennifer Helmrich and I'm the Business Development Manager across the Mid-Atlantic. I'd like to share with you some valuable information about one of my favorite AZO displays, the MX315 BK. This display was built with the teleradiology market in mind. With 8.8 megapixels across a 31-inch widescreen format, the MX315 features the convenience of a single-panel display perfect for viewing all general radiography images. By utilizing the MX315's increased viewing space and freedom of layout, you can display various images side by side, such as CT and MRI images, in a tiled format. This will allow for the comparison of old and current scans, ultimately improving efficiency. In addition, the MX315 includes our internal front sensor for on-demand or scheduled calibrations, perfect for maintaining quality assurance remotely, preventing unnecessary trips to the doctor's homes. This display also includes 3 unique features to help improve workflow, save space, money, and assist in faster reads. These features are only available on selected AZO displays. The first feature is called Hide and Seek. It's a quick referencing tool that allows a 19-inch monitor to virtually appear and disappear as needed. The second of these features involves a barrier-free work style. It's called Switch and Go, and it can operate 2 different workstations at the same time with a single mouse and keyboard. The last of the 3 features is called Point and Focus. Point and Focus allows you to dim up or dim down areas of interest for easier interpretation. As with all of AZO's medical displays, the MX315 includes a 5-year, 20,000-hour warranty and the freedom to use whatever video card you would like. Contact us for a free 30-day demo to evaluate this product in your environment. Thanks so much for your interest, and we hope to connect with you soon.